Hello everyone, we will show you how to link a quicklink remote control to a plug adapter. For this, you need a remote control, a quicklink plug adapter, and a small screwdriver. First, enter the configuration mode by pressing the CFG button on the remote control. The red light turns on both devices. Click on the push button that will be used to control the socket outlet. The LED flashes during a few seconds. Select the on-off function indicated by the orange color on the socket outlet. Press and hold the button during 2 seconds to validate, until the CFG LED flashes. Once the LEDs are on, leave the configuration mode on the remote control, and everything will be switched off. The function is now ready for use.